You're welcome to Nora's Kitchen and Lodinora Mini Restaurant. Your health, your life. So always make sure you eat healthy. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel so you don't miss anything. Thank you, and let's go straight to my kitchen, my rules. Step 1. Always make sure you tidy up your kitchen before and after. Step 2. Always make sure you wash your hands very well. Step 3. Always make sure you unpack everything you bought from the market straight to your sink. And step 4. Make sure you wash them so well. Step 5. Make sure all vegetables is being chopped. And step 6, make sure you package everything in different bowl. Step 7, make sure you use the right saucepan so that you don't burn your food. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's do the cooking. We're still in COVID-19 and I won't be doing my normal talking while cooking. Don't forget to always lower your fire anytime you want to do your cooking. Shall we begin? Please make sure you don't bite that tongue. Keep watching Nora's Kitchen.